1. No bean indicator. Light on. Lack of beans. The coffee bean hopper is empty. After adding coffee beans, run a brewing or grinding cycle. The indicator will turn off automatically. 2. No water indicator. Light on. The water tank is empty or low. Refill the water tank with fresh drinking water. Hot water comes out of the steam wand on your first brew, so place a cup under the wand to prevent burns. 3. Warning indicator. Light on. Please make sure the brewer or drip tray assembly is in proper position. Warning indicator. Flash. Please make sure the grinder knob, service door and drip tray assembly are in proper position. 4. Clean brewer indicator. Light on. The brewer unit is dirty. Please remove and clean the brewer thoroughly. 5. Clear dregs indicator. Light on. The residue container is full or uncleared. Please clear your residue container. 6. If you're using a taller cup, you can adjust the brew head up or down to fit the cup height. You deserve a better experience.